Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this cute, easy spider. To start, make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch all the way around. For round 3, do 3 single crochets, then increase in the next 3 stitches, and repeat that twice. For rounds 4 to 8, single crochet all the way around. For round 9, do 3 single crochets and 3 decreases, and repeat that all the way around. For round 10, single crochet all the way around. For round 11, decrease all the way around, fasten off, and weave in the end. For the eyes, make a magic circle with 5 single crochets in it. Then increase in each stitch all the way around. Slip stitch into the first stitch and fasten off. can add a bead or felt to the middle for the pupil, or use a fabric marker like I'm using. Make a second eye the same way. Sew them onto the body of your spider. For the legs, all you have to do is take a piece of yarn, placing it through the bar of one of the stitches near the bottom. And tie the two pieces together to keep it attached to the body. Then tie a knot at the end of each leg. If you want, you can add another piece along the top so you can hang it. There's your super easy, adorable spider. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!